Hello, what's up, y'all? Welcome once again to my YouTube channel where we talk about income and personal finance. Right? So, in today's video, we're talking about how to invest in real estate with other people's money. Right? So, you can invest in real estate with cash that is not yours. This for like people that don't have the money in hand, or people that people that focus on the future, and people that just want to invest in real estate or have real estate but don't have this cash in hand. Right? So there are two ways you can do this. You can do this by loaning money, or you can do this as a salesperson. Right? So you can invest in real estate as a salesperson for someone. Let's say there's someone that want to buy real estate out there. You can be like the middleman, like you buy the real estate for the person, and you get your own share, and this share can be used to reinvest. Like you can be like a reinvestment agent. Like let me give you an example so you understand. When someone want to buy let's say a real estate or a property, and you have like connection to this property, like you have someone that want to sell, the person that want to sell this property, you can make the person and tell the person that you have a buyer. Right? So since you have a buyer, this is your percentage, this is what you get. This is not, we're not talking about money. Let's say the property is a piece of, is a land, like land 6 acres of land, and the policy is whosoever buys five takes one. Right? So you are the middleman there. You bought the no, you bought it for the person. Actually, you bought the five for the person. The remaining one is yours, right? So you have just invested for one piece of land, like personal piece of land, without spending a dime, right? So that one piece of land, that one belongs to you. That is yours, right? So you can get it this way, and you can also make money from you can also invest in real estate, sorry, by loan. Right? So you can also, the second one is loan. You can get real estate from loaning, from asking for mortgage from banks, or third party, or anybody that is trusted, or anybody that have the money. It can be relative, friends, or anybody. But you can purchase real estate with from other people. Like let's say when you take loan from bank, right? So and you take this loan. I've talked about loan in my previous video, so you could check it out. But in this one, when you take loan from bank, let's just finish everything here. If you take loan from bank, they will give you a certain threshold or a certain time where you have to pay back their money, right? So this time that you have to pay back the money, you can use this time to invest in real estate. And this process is not very advisable, except you have a trusted, like you trust the investment you want to put in the money. Because once the time comes and the banks come to knock on your door, you must you must bring them money, or they'll take your property. Like is left to you. But when you take this approach to take this mortgage or this loan from your bank, you have to pay back that money in a certain time. Let's say your bank gave you 1 month. It means that you have your real estate investment has to yield back up to that amount you took from your bank within that one year. Because if your bank says you should return the money in a year, and let's say at the end of that year you didn't accrue that amount of money from your real estate investment, or the real estate you bought, or the real estate plan, or whatever, your bank will come and take your property. Like they will come and take whatever you put as collateral, because you can't take loan without collateral. But if you took this money from friends or family, you can find your way. Yeah, their friends, their family, you can always find your way, right? So it's advisable. Those are the two ways you can. Those are the two sure ways I know of, like that get um uh you can get real estate without your money. That is, if you don't have the money, you can either take the bank approach, the or you take the realtor approach or the agent approach, which will be you. All right, so it's advisable for you to get this real estate. Why I made this video is because most people need real estate, because you might think that you don't need a real estate, but the world is advancing, right? So as the world is advancing, so is the world of real estate, and the more the land or properties are reducing, and the more the price are increasing, right? So everybody needs a real estate. Don't be frightened to take loan or be an agent to own your own real estate, because it's worth it actually. Real estate, there are so many people that have made more than, like, I know of a friend, he took loan, like somebody might not, but he took loan, and before then he made like three times of the loan he took from real estate. He has to pay up his debt and reinvest the rest. Like, real estate pays a lot. Real estate is sure. It's not like, but it depends. That's why before you purchase a real estate or investment, it's good you seek the advice of an expert. Yeah, that will help a lot, because if an expert predicts a certain property or a certain acre for, like, predicted that this is how it will go in 6 months or 8 months, there's likelihood, like, they have been in the business for years, so there is high percent likelihood that it will just go that way. Right? So you seek um professional advice, and you invest in this real estate by the money you took, by the loan you took from your bank or friends or family, or by the investment. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Or by the investment you accrued from your own sales of real estate to third parties or friends or anybody else. So real estate is a very good approach, especially in this era. Yeah, in this era, everybody needs real estate. Everybody, because if you don't have real estate or you don't have an investment in hand, you you are probably left out. Like, you are left out. Everybody actually needs it, so it's advisable you get a real estate. Yeah, very advisable. Also, you could meet a real estate company. Like, we have many of them these days. You could meet a real estate company and tell them that you can provide a buyer for right, and they'll give you a certain percentage from this is different from you being an agent, though it's somehow like an agent, but this is just different, because you are like a worker to the company, like recruiting buyers. Yeah, that's your work, recruiting buyers. When you recruit these buyers, the company give you a certain percent of their shares, right? They give you a certain percent of shares for you to to use and get your own real estate, or they can give you these shares based on some property, or they can give you these shares in monetary aspect, or but most times company just this real estate company, they give you as a stake in their company, and this stake can be used to be reinvested into real estate, and you can earn from that, like from your investment. You can earn from that. So that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you stayed to the end, I really appreciate. If you enjoyed the video or got something from any aspect of the video, Please like the video, comment down below any question, subscribe to the channel, and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Goodbye.